Picture this. You're standing outside a factory, and every 60 seconds, a brand new, gleaming electric car rolls out the door. Just watching that speed is enough to blow your mind. A factory like this isn't just massive, it has the power to reshape the entire auto industry. A place where not thousands, but millions of cars can be built, at a pace that would leave even the world's biggest automakers stunned. Today, we're diving into BYD's megafactory, widely called the biggest Gigafactory on the planet. And the claim is that it's 10 times the size of Tesla's factory. The moment you step inside, your mind will be blown. An army of robots, ultramodern machinery, and a production speed that feels almost impossible. This isn't just a factory, it's the factory of the future. From here, millions of electric vehicles will roll out every single year. But the real story is a hidden edge inside this plant that's challenging even Tesla. How is all of this being built? How fast is the technology really moving? And will this massive Chinese factory change the world? Or could it be the very thing that leaves Tesla behind? In this video, we're going deep inside BYD's megafactory to show you the technology, the speed, and the strategy that's been hidden from the world until now, including how a car gets fully built in just minutes. So stick with us till the end. And before we go further, hit subscribe to GearNation so you never miss a video like this. A factory the size of a city. Now, picture a factory so massive that stepping inside leaves you speechless. This isn't a plant. It feels like an entire city. So let's start with where it is and just how big this place really is. BYD's giant Gigafactory sits in Zhengzhou, the capital of Henan province in China, built near the Zhengzhou Airport Economy Zone. This location has become one of the biggest hubs of China's EV revolution. Now let's talk scale, and this is where it gets wild. Once fully built out, this factory will cover roughly 50 square miles, around 130 square kilometers. Still hard to picture? Consider this. That's bigger than the entire city of San Francisco, which covers about 47 square miles. The complex is being developed in 8 phases. Right now, construction has progressed through roughly the first 5 to 6 phases, and it keeps expanding every single month. Even the portion that's already finished dwarfs Tesla's biggest factories. Tesla's Austin, Texas Gigafactory, and its Nevada plant each cover roughly 3.5 to 5 square kilometers, meaning this BYD facility is already about 10 times the size of Tesla's largest sites. Step inside, and it feels less like a factory and more like a self-contained city. There's a football stadium, worker housing complexes, a racing track, sports facilities, rest zones, canteens, and even hospital-grade medical facilities. More than 60,000 workers live, eat, play, and build cars here, all within one massive ecosystem. Imagine waking up, stepping out of your on-site housing, heading straight to work, grabbing lunch at the canteen, playing football in the evening, and taking a lap on the racetrack on the weekend, all without ever leaving the property. But this place isn't just big, it's smart. Despite the enormous footprint, everything runs on automation. Robots move constantly, conveyor belts never stop, and production continues around the clock. Even the Chinese government is heavily backing this project, since it doesn't just cement BYD as the world's top EV maker, it also elevates Henan province's entire economy. Capacity that rewrites the rulebook. Now let's talk about what really makes this factory a powerhouse, its output. BYD's Zhengzhou Gigafactory is already producing more than 1 million electric vehicles a year, and once fully operational, that number could climb to 1.8 million. That works out to roughly 5,000 cars a day on average. Right now, the plant is already turning out more than 4,000 vehicles daily, meaning a new car is completed roughly every minute, 24 hours a day, without stopping. Every 60 seconds, another shiny new EV rolls off the line. Last year alone, this single factory produced around 545,000 vehicles, and that number keeps climbing month over month. This plant alone accounts for a massive share of BYD's total EV sales. And BYD has already become the world's largest EV manufacturer. Most vehicles built here stay in China, but exports to Europe, Latin America, and Asia are growing fast. The economic ripple effect is enormous. This single facility has turned Henan province into a major industrial hub. More than 60,000 direct employees, plus their families, local suppliers, and countless vendors, parts manufacturers, logistics companies, food suppliers, transportation firms, all depend on this plant's growth. The Chinese government continues to support the project because it strengthens not just BYD, but the country's entire EV export ambitions. BYD's stated goal is to become the world's biggest car company by 2030, and this factory is the backbone of that plan. For comparison, Tesla's largest Gigafactory in Austin produces roughly 500,000 to 600,000 vehicles a year. Combine all of Tesla's global factories, and the single BYD plant could eventually outproduce them all on its own. This isn't just about volume. It's accelerating the shift toward affordable EVs. Blade batteries, electric motors, and full skateboard chassis platforms are all built on site, cutting costs dramatically and passing the savings to buyers. Scale is the secret weapon. Bigger plants mean faster production and lower prices. Exactly how BYD is challenging Tesla in the global market. Inside the production line, let's walk through exactly how a car comes together here, step by step. BYD's Zhengzhou Gigafactory is so heavily automated that around 98% of the work is handled by robots. One car is completed every 50 to 60 seconds. Stamping. It starts in the stamping shop, where massive press machines apply over 1,000 tons of pressure, shaping sheets of steel and aluminum into doors, hoods, roofs, and fenders in a single motion. Robotic arms load and unload the sheets automatically, with precision down to 0.01 millimeters. This section alone spans more than 140,000 square meters. Welding. Next, the parts move to the welding shop, where thousands of robotic arms perform laser welding, joining the body in a full three-dimensional process that creates a structure that's both strong and lightweight. Around 98% of welding is robotic, with humans mainly supervising. Within minutes, the complete body in white, the car's bare structure, is ready, offering strong crash protection even before paint is applied. Painting. The paint shop operates like a clean room where even a single dust particle can't get in. The process is fully automated. Robots apply 9 to 10 layers, including primer, color coat, and clear coat, baking the body after each layer. No manual spraying, just flawless, mirror-like precision every time. Batteries and the skateboard platform. This is BYD's biggest edge. Blade batteries are manufactured entirely in-house from raw material to finished pack, with one battery cell completed every 3 seconds. These packs are then mounted onto a skateboard chassis that already includes motors, suspension, brakes, and wheels. BYD's Blade battery is engineered for safety. It doesn't ignite even during nail penetration testing. Producing everything in one location keeps costs down while maintaining quality. Final assembly. The body and skateboard platform come together here, with seats, dashboards, infotainment systems, wiring, lighting, and climate systems installed by a mix of robots and skilled workers. Automated guided vehicles ferry parts to the line as the car moves through each station. Quality control. Once assembled, AI-powered cameras scan every vehicle in 360 degrees, checking panel gaps, paint finish, torque, and wiring. Cars are then tested on a track for speed, braking, handling, and battery performance. Anything that doesn't pass goes back through the line. Only flawless vehicles move forward. From there, finished vehicles head to the lot for distribution across the country or export by truck, train, or ship. With more than 2,400 robots working around the clock and nearly every component made in-house, this factory blends speed, scale, and precision in a way that has even Tesla taking notice. The technology behind the scale. Let's dig into what makes this factory so technologically advanced. Thousands of robots operate here. In the welding shop alone, 98% of the work is robotic, and overall automation exceeds 98% of total production. Teams of over a dozen robotic arms work together at single stations, handling laser welding, part placement, painting, and assembly, while human workers focus on supervision, programming, and quality checks. The result, near zero error rates and dramatically higher output. The second major advantage is vertical integration. BYD manufactures nearly everything itself. Blade batteries, electric motors, semiconductors, power electronics, and software, all in-house. That means no dependency on external suppliers, no vulnerability to global supply chain shortages, and no middleman costs. Since BYD originally started as a battery company, it controls the entire chain from raw material to finished vehicle, a genuine competitive edge that keeps its EVs affordable, while rivals sourcing parts externally face higher costs. The result is staggering speed. A new car completed every 50 to 60 seconds, more than 4,000 vehicles produced daily, and a new battery cell finished every 3 seconds, all running nonstop 24 hours a day. And it's not just about machines, it's about people too. More than 60,000 employees work here, supported by an entire on-site ecosystem. Dormitories, canteens, hospitals, sports facilities, and recreational spaces. BYD's philosophy is simple. Happier employees drive better production, so competitive pay, training, and safety are all part of the package. Robots, vertical integration, and massive scale combine into a formula that even Tesla is struggling to match on cost and speed. BYD versus Tesla. And what comes next? Now for the real showdown. BYD versus Tesla. In terms of size, BYD's Zhengzhou plant already dwarfs Tesla's Austin Gigafactory by 6 to 10 times, and once fully built, it could stretch to 50 square miles, larger than the city of San Francisco. In terms of speed, BYD holds the edge too, completing a car every 50 to 60 seconds and producing over 4,000 vehicles daily. In 2025, BYD sold approximately 2.26 million pure electric vehicles compared to Tesla's roughly 1.64 million, making BYD the world's #1 EV seller for the first time. On price, BYD has almost no rival. By manufacturing its own batteries, motors, and chips, it avoids the higher costs Tesla faces sourcing components externally. While Tesla remains dominant in the premium segment, BYD has captured the mass market. The global implications are significant. China's EV dominance is accelerating, and despite tariffs in various markets, BYD is expanding by building factories in Europe, Brazil, Thailand, and Hungary, with a target of exporting 1.5 million vehicles in 2026. Looking ahead, BYD plans to scale this factory to 1.8 million vehicles annually while advancing next-generation technology like sodium-ion batteries, cheaper and more accessible than lithium for storage and budget vehicles, alongside ongoing research into solid-state batteries. The company's target: become the world's largest automaker by 2030. Tesla, meanwhile, is betting heavily on robotaxis and full self-driving technology, while BYD leans into production scale and cost efficiency. Two very different strategies, and a rivalry that's only getting more intense. Final thoughts. This factory isn't just a manufacturing plant. It's arguably the single biggest force driving the EV revolution forward right now. Millions of robots, blade battery technology, a 130 square kilometer footprint, and a new car every minute. It's clear China has surged ahead in the global EV race. Will BYD leave Tesla behind for good? Some say yes, pointing to affordable pricing, blistering production speed, and a fully self-contained ecosystem. Others note Tesla still leads in premium technology. Either way, the competition has never been tighter, and the EV world won't look the same again. So tell us in the comments, what surprised you most in this video? The size of the factory, the army of robots, or BYD's sheer production speed? We read every comment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GearNation for more deep dives like this one.